everyone, back with another easy keto recipe. We've got a beef and broccoli lo mein, and this will serve 4 people. Here's what you will need. You'll need some of those beef sirloins. It's kind of like the Steakums. You'll need a bag of the frozen broccoli florets, Xanthan gum, 2 bags of the shiritalki spaghetti noodles. You'll need sesame seed oil, olive oil, ground ginger, beef bouillon, pepper. Then you'll need a measuring cup, a tablespoon, a teaspoon, a wok, and then a strainer and a pair of scissors. All right, let's get started, you guys. We're going to start by preheating the stove to a heat a little higher than medium. And then you're going to take about 2 tablespoons of the olive oil and pour it into your wok. Add in the Steakums. I call them that, but they're kind of like it. You'll see them right there. They break up in pieces. Let them cook, and then take your broccoli florets, put it in your microwave. My microwave takes 6 minutes. And while that's going and your steak is cooking up, go ahead and cut open your shirataki noodles and put them into your strainer. And then go ahead and wash them. You'll see I'm doing a little video again here if you're new to my channel. You want to do this for at least 3 minutes. Of course, I don't do this for 3 minutes this video, but I do wash them for 3 minutes. And it needs to be under cold water because it washes all of the, the stuff off that it sits in. So just make sure you keep running your fingers through it. And then just let it set aside there. When the steak is all cooked, it breaks up like that automatically. Just break it all up. And then you're going to take a half a cup of water, 2 bouillon cubes or 2 tablespoons of beef bouillon, pop it in the microwave, mix it around, and then pour that over your steak. And then you're going to take a teaspoon of the Xanthan gum. You're going to take 2 tablespoons of ground ginger, 1 tablespoon of the pure sesame seed oil, black pepper, and also you want to add salt too, or soy sauce. Mix it around really good, then add your noodles, your bag of the broccoli florets, and it's a 12-ounce bag. Mix that up really well, and then just let it kind of heat up. Then you're going to go ahead and plate up. It makes 4 servings, and it was 16 carbs for the whole dish, so it's 4 net carbs a serving. And this was really good, but like I said, I didn't add the salt to it. Add salt or soy sauce to it. I would add a couple tablespoons of soy sauce in the mixture. And always keep it keto.